What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today is just gonna be a oil change and overview real quick. We finally got some snow out here, so a little bit of snow. It's a little dark, so I'm gonna keep it real quick, fast, and in a hurry. I'm gonna do this oil change. I was gonna rotate my tires real quick, but I'm gonna do that on the next one. Now, normally I change my oil, but I've been doing it at 3,000 now. So being that I'm doing it at 3,000, technically with the filter and all that extra stuff, it should be enough to make everything happy again and stuff of that nature. I usually take it out, drain it, all that extra stuff, but at this given moment, not doing that. So we're gonna see where we landed in a second. So normally it takes a whole 5 quarts and probably a little bit more than half of a quart, but we'll see. To be honest with you, this is my first time not changing the oil in the oil cooler, because I was informed by a friend that you really change it when you're driving the car real hard and all that extra good stuff, which I don't really do. I'll be honest with you. I got it tuned, I got it all funny. I maybe done 7 hard pulls, like hard pulls. I'm not including my tuning process, 10 hard pulls. So I'm not really beating on these things my day to day. Race. I would like to do some contact later next season as well. That's gonna be some fun stuff. check the oil, top her off, let her down, call it a day. Shout out Quick Jack, because these things are freaking amazing. Love them. Literally don't like doing anything without them. Whether it's anything, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed my little talking, stuff of that nature. And see you on the next one. Deuces.